Hello everyone, welcome to VisualSnaps. Today we're talking about how you can write a good script. Writing a script for your short film or video allows you to tell a complete story, show everything that you want to show in your video, or convey all the information that you want to convey. I have a few tips for doing this to make sure that you don't get bogged down by the writing process. The first thing you can do is to write an outline or story treatment. A story treatment is basically a 3 to 5 paragraph summary of your story. And when you're doing this, just jot down ideas and make sure that you're encompassing your entire project. All you need to do is jot down ideas, write sentences, and just get the general idea of what you're doing. Then comes time to write your script. When doing this, I would recommend following your outline or story treatment generally, but also being open to new ideas that come to you while writing. When writing your script, you can use dialogue, camera movement, and actions to move your story along. Don't write your script or film like a play, write it like a film. Don't just have a not moving camera and the actors moving around it, but have interesting movements, actions, and shots. The script is not only good for making sure your story is solid or you're conveying all the information that you want, but it also can provide information for your actors and crew. Make sure that you're adding information for your camera operator and actors so that the actors know how to inflect their dialogue and how the scene is supposed to feel, and the camera operators know where to put their camera and what movements to use. Don't feel like you have to just sit down and write your entire script in one sitting. You can take breaks to allow you to internalize some of the things in your story, or you can just think of more ideas for your video. After you're finished with the rough draft, you can have friends, family, or people you know look and proofread your script. When doing this, you can see mistakes that you've made and also gain new ideas. It also helps you if you've made extensive typos or have an incomplete storyline. After you've taken notes on what your friends, family, and other people have said when reading your script, you can go back and proofread and finalize your script, fixing any of the mistakes that you or your friends, family, or other people found. After you've done this, you can read through it a couple times, and when you feel like you're done, you're done. After you're finished with your script, you can go right into the rest of the video or short film production. Like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.